Hello all. It's me, T.
And it's me, P. And Y, P-Y-T.
Hello.
Hi.
Boom.
And we got Amina, our special
Say
guest.
hi. Girl, you stay in your night clothes, huh? You like your night clothes? You like it? Okay then.
Of course. Today we eat fish. We have the red tilapia and we have the regular brown tilapia. The red tilapia, I find it Costco, $4 in a pot.
I never had it, so today's gonna be my first day to try
And we
some
do
red
air
tilapia.
fryer.
Yeah, air fry. Yeah, red tilapia I've never had. Is it good?
I think it tastes
regular.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then I make some sauce for it. We have the mango with red onion and cilantro, and we have the cucumber with tomato and cilantro. This one they in a lemon juice, and this one they in a
Vinegar?
no,
lime juice.
I do a one paste the Asian from the Asian store.
Oh, that paste.
And then one little bit of vinegar, and one little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of brown sugar, and then you just mix it up and you pour it on it, and then the water eventually come out of the cucumber. So
stop touching the chicken, girl.
It looks up, but
you gotta sit up.
Look nice.
Yeah.
And of course we have the juice.
And
what is this? What is this? What is it? Chicken. So we're about to eat our chicken.
It looks similar to a fish, but it's chicken.
Today that chicken.
And this girl will touch it up
with
Mickey's hand.
Stop touch up for your chicken, man.
Sure.
I don't know where your hand made there.
No, for sure.
This girl can't wait to get to this sauce.
Yeah.
Because you want a piece of this chicken?
You say
Want chicken?
Oh, sorry, this spoon number for this?
I mean, I said no.
I know, I say.
Yeah.
Okay. Should I try? I'll try the red one.
It come out crispy. And then Tanya like fishy fish crispy.
I never had a red tilapia before, so if I start broke out, just call 922.
Really?
See how far? No,
you said I eat with your hands.
Oh,
so.
Okay, yeah, you're right. You're right.
Well, if you want it fat, it's fat.
Why you watch me?
Yeah, Mama.
You want some of the fish?
It's some chicken, yeah.
Yes, make we see. Yeah. P season the chicken. Penny, aka Dandara. I get it wrong, Mr. Greaser, right?
No.
They got your name. Nice.
I guess so seasoning for Chapel Hill. Some seasoning for Chapel Hill I will use.
Well, these days we have to go up there at Chapel Hill.
Yeah, no. Let's
take the ride.
Well, you live so close to Chapel Hill. You live closer than me.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, one there.
Who are you talking to?
She talking to the chicken.
Look what? Okay, Mama.
Oh, this fish nice.
Yeah. This mango nice. This mango. We'll call it chutney.
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
I think so.
Because you don't want nobody to correct you. And right where I say, no, no chutney, that. Okay,
They can't correct me, y'all.
maybe we should have named it so salsa.
Mm-hmm.
But why you in my plate, girl? Want to try it?
Oh, man. This thing nice.
Do you like it? Oh, yeah, okay.
I wonder if they have tilapia.
Take it, Mama, take it.
You think tilapia?
I think so, no. I think they have tilapia. I don't know. That's Pauline. Pauline know about fish. She don't fish a girl, so she know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you're gonna like this one, Mina, because I think it's spicy. Oh shit,
Spicy.
spicy. We could try it. This girl like fish.
Oh, you drink some strawberry lemon, yeah. Well, the artificial flavor water.
Mm-hmm. Stop
it.
What?
Stop it.
Did you say stop it? Oh, hold up. Hold up.
That your auntie girl, and I talk to you like that.
You said that to me? You did? You don't care? You care? No, you don't.
No.
I know you don't.
Don't.
I know.
None.
Yeah. She want kicking.
Juice.
I eat my bone. I have to fry it crispy. You know, could eat your bone.
You gonna eat everybody bone?
I don't want to eat yours.
No.
I eat my bone.
I don't have bone.
None.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you hear about a certain stupid boy well, I shouldn't say stupid because he dead. Where your girlfriend stab her because the boy say, he don't want no black girl.
Oh.
And I put a white girl and the white girl kill her.
Well,
Well,
all right.
now it happened.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, it's sad that he dead, but
Mm-hmm.
or you just not put on social media that you don't want no black woman. You forget that he my black and his sister
Sometimes that will happen.
and his auntie.
You know, that's the problem. Forgetting.
No.
We sometimes forget.
Girl, this is scary because I don't want no bones to be in here.
Girl, you ain't fed a baby in a while, huh?
No. I never have none for feed.
That one now.
No.
Girl. You understand what I had to say? Huh? Okay then. I'm not talking about y'all. Okay.
I always love eating with my hand.
This girl say want kick in.
I don't know where that kick in.
She over here the jerk up the fish in her eye. You don't want no tortilla?
Here.
Oh, you. Oh, you don't eat anything. How much time I tell you I don't eat anything?
I don't mind eat one tortilla here and there, but
you rather here?
But I have to eat right now. And then like when I want my tortilla, I have to make it
your only thing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yes, honey. Yes. Yes, honey. Yes. Yes. It's Mina.
Mina.
Yeah.
Mina?
Mina.
Where you gonna get up off of me, Mina?
Girl.
Mina, when you gonna rise up off me?
Don't do her like that.
I know. Hey, you know what? Either way, she's not gonna move.
Till you finish this kicking.
She ain't gonna stay right there.
This girl made it cry. We had all the technical difficulties and this girl would cry. And she ready for eat.
You ready for this kick in? Look at you. Chicken.
But
Yeah, so it turn out good.
try to make pepper sauce for yourself.
Chicken.
Girl, stop the put. This girl is push your finger in and me kicking eye.
Not cool, Mina. Yeah, tell her they ever juke up this other one eye too.
Oh really?
Yeah, this one every I juke up. Know how long they try?
Okay.
I'm gonna quick get her some more kicking. But yeah, so I make pepper sauce too, but I make Belizean pepper sauce. You know, with the onion and the pepper cut up in a vinegar, and I love it. I've never always been a fan of spice until I married my husband, and everything has to be spicy. Here, Mama. Oh, you got kicking from somebody else?
Did
From
she find her
who?
lunch again?
Girl!
Oh no, ma'am.
Girl, wait!
Girl, where'd you get that kick in?
Here!
Watch me.
Ow!
It bite you? Oh my god. No, you can't put your
She
hand up
let it
in.
come out.
No, she didn't come out. No. And guess what? Another thing. You can't feed she no more.
She let it come back. Wow. Wow, Mina. No. She not there no more. She not come back for videos. America, okay, yeah, come back, but no panel, no. I know how to feed her.
Me neither. And definitely not feed now.
They're saying Tanya's kicking. With a pork head.
Yeah.
Ooh. I sent Tanya for a piece. Yeah.
You want chicken? Here.
You want no more? I think I just wanted something hard. Girl, get your hand out to that,
You
man.
better be careful, cause no. I believe when they doing a swallow piece of bone. One bone. You give better
Tanya gave you kicking.
Thank you.
Why you didn't want it?
bread or rice. And we don't have no bread or rice. Girl. Girl, don't be. Why you pick my kicking up like?
My goodness. Oh my goodness. No, we can't do her no more.
No.
Guys, this is the finale. This is season finale right here. We're
Say goodbye
done.
Okay.
We're done. This is the premiere and the finale in one right here. Look. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You know, bite my finger again.
No.
Uh-uh.
Oh my gosh. This is your debut and your finale, sis. I can't help you.
No. Mm-mm.
You good?
Get kicking from it, Tanya.
I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
She's looking at it. Look, she's staring at it on the plate.
My goodness. My goodness. Oh!
She said my kicking. Oh my gosh.
I'm embarrassed. No, I'm not.
Okay.
Here.
Oh my gosh. Mina. Oh my goodness.
I like whole fish. I don't like fillet. I
Uh-uh.
think you missed the whole idea
Mm-hmm.
of eating a fish.
Mm-hmm.
And my favorite part of the fish that I had.
I see you. Get your hand. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you get your hand.
No.
What? Oh, what? Hmm. Say sorry. Thank you.
No.
Girl, we're done. We're done. We're done. Oh my gosh.
Ew. Okay.
I'm appalled.
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
I'm appalled.
Apple.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, goodness. No.
Can we win? Can I win? Oh my gosh.
Oh, gosh.
I don't even want to touch her mouth.
She gonna bite you. Oh my gosh. Well, let me ask you something. Who invited you in this video? Who? Who invited you? Who? Look at me. Who invited you in this video? Huh? Who did? Mimi?
Ooh.
Excuse me. Thank you. Mimi invited you?
I don't want.
You didn't want to come?
You guys at home?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Okay, all right. Be careful. Okay.
Alrighty.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. He said bye-bye.
Okay.
Yeah. He said he's coming to pick you up. You ready to go home? Okay.
You have to eat all our chicken. Golly.
She repeat everything.
Really? For real. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh, no, you did dance. Huh. I think you like the mango. You like that one, Mama?
Stop it.
Did she tell you to stop it?
Look, mango. It's good.
Okay, well.
Okay.
Well, let's say bye. Say bye.
Hi.
We can't make a promise, but this might be the last time y'all see her on our video.
Bye.
But if we come back again, we have put her back on.
Bye.
She said the obvious. So, but for now, we're signing out.
Yeah. And I done already. I done full already, so.
Me too.
But yeah, we are still not again next time.
You like this?
Maybe
You like this?
1 or 2 times maybe when I say rice or whatever pan these videos, but I don't know if we could guarantee it all the time.
Look at this.
But for now, we want to try to
This
stay
one?
on low carb stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I hope you don't like it. And I'm finding the friends, I tell her if you please sub and please watch your videos. And we will see y'all later. Bye bye.
Peace.